Greetings to all. I am Mauricio Fernando. I am 32 years old. I am a policeman. I live in Tunja. I like play soccer and swim. I am studying electronic engineer at UNAT. She is my mother. Her name is Alicia. She is 66 years old. She is its seller. She lives in San Juan de Pasto, Nariño. She loves the dogs and cats. She likes to travel to Popayán. He is my brother Jesus. He is 43 years old. He is a truck driver. He lives in San Juan de Pasto, Nariño. He likes ride motorcycle. He is married with Claudia, and they are beautiful girls. He likes ride a bicycle by the road of the city. This is my big brother. He is tall and fat. He is the front of the tractor with me. This is my mother. She is short and thin. Her hair is long and black. To the right of my sister Viviana. My favorite food is the chicken and soup. My favorite actor is Arnold Schwarzenegger. My favorite actress is Angelina Jolie. My name is spelled is Mauricio. My last name is Banegas. Description of my place where I live. This is my bed. On the left side is the sofa bed. This is the door of my room. On the left side is the window. There are the posters of my favorite scientists are beginning the bed. This is my television. On the left side is the bathroom. This is my television. On the right side is the image of Virgin of Guadalupe. And on the left side the Bible. This is my sound equipment is below the TV. This is the right cat. On the left is the dog. This is the aquarium in front of the window. This is a beer on the right side of the card. Thank you for your attention. Bye.